Well, this clap is for you, my friend. This was a very short clap. I'm sorry for that. But congratulations on finishing the Tube Heroes course. You are a true hero of the YouTube. I'm pretty sure you going through this course is a first step of you reaching success on YouTube and maybe becoming a next big thing. Who knows? Who knows what you will do? For whatever reason you want to use YouTube, I'm pretty sure you will reach the success. Thank you for going through this lecture. I congratulate you again because you are a winner, because winners take action. And now you need to continue this taking to action to continue being winner. Thank you for going through this lecture. I don't have a lot of words because this is very pleasant feeling that someone got through the end. I really congratulate you. Thank you for this. And I want you to understand one thing, that this course is not finished. This is just the beginning of the journey. We're going to have a bunch more lectures in the future. We're going to have a bunch more videos in the future that will be added. Just know that there will be a bunch of bonus lectures, a bunch of bonus videos. Just be mindful of that. Again, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. I'm here to help. You can follow me on my social media. You can follow me on YouTube, on my different YouTube channels, just to learn more stuff about YouTube creation, or just to ask me any question that you want, because I am here for you and I will always be. Thank you again. And well, I hope to see you maybe in different courses, or I hope to see you on your YouTube channel. Well, congratulations and well, see you around.